Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Make Direct by Sopari, helping you to make money through online. So in my previous video, we have talked about an affiliate platform called ClickBank. Okay, here is a video, you can go through it and how we can earn $100 just by copy pasting ads. So this is one of the platform we have worked like an affiliate product. We are promoting an affiliate product, and in today's video what we are going to do is like we would be chatting with fitness people and make $100 per day using the same strategy, affiliate marketing, but the platform is completely different. We have worked on ClickBank before, but in today's video we are going to work on Digistore 24. Okay, this is also a platform, tons of people are working on this platform and the commission rate is quite good. Okay, so let's get into the website. The first thing what you need to do is just go to sign up page, click on register now and go to sign up page, and you need to enter all the sections, and once done you would be receiving a confirmation email. Go click there and you get redirected to the login page, and you need to log in over here. Once you log in, it looks in this way. I'll just show you how does it look. See, this is how it looks like, and click on marketplace. So once you are done with that, click on marketplace, scroll a bit down, click on internet marketing and e-business. What we are going to sell, select a product. Like we are going to sell a book, work at home secrets and internet jet set. So many people are really interested to work from home and earn money. So this book has all the information in it. This book is really good, and let's just check the cost. How much does it cost? Internet jet set, work at home. It costs around $1. Okay, by each one people who's buying this, we would be making a profit of $35. See, $39 is the monthly fee, and this $1 is pay $1 now and then monthly $39.95 monthly cancelable. So the person who's buying this can pay $1 for now. After a month, if he's interested, then he can pay $39. If not, he can cancel it within a month. Okay, and if he's interested and if he pays $35 then like $39, we would be alternately getting 90% of it. That is nothing but $35 from one person. Okay, so we can sell this in a place called bodybuilding.com. So we need to interact with people over there, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Okay, and the first thing what you need to do, we need to log into Digistore, come to marketplace, click on internet marketing and e-business, and you need to select this internet jet set, this program. Okay, so once you click on here, like you would be finding same like promote now. Once you click that, you would be finding a link, Digistore link. So you need to copy that. You need to copy that and paste it in a notepad, or else you can directly create a document, Word document, and paste it. This link looks really very big. We need to shorten it, and you know how to do that. Go to bit.ly.com. Once you come over here, click on create. You need to log in, click on create, and here is work from home, shorten link. See, many people are really interested to work from home and make some kind of income. So this book would be really helping them out. What all things are going, like it's a kind of training program. You can also try by paying $1. If you're not interested, then you can cancel it all over within a month. Okay, so I would be copying it and pasting it over here. So we need to market this link to get sales. So how to do that? Let's jump into a website called bodybuilding.com. This is the website where we are going to work and interact with fitness people and sell our affiliate program. So let's just check that how we can do it. But before that, you need to get signed up for this bodybuilding site. And not only bodybuilding website, people who are really interested to work from home, you need to target those people. Like you can target mothers, like moms, and the easy way to target them is go visit Instagram, search for educational toys, and there you can find lot many people who are really interested in those educational toys. Go follow them. The followers all are parents, so you need to follow them and give the information how I show the same in bodybuilding.com. So click on account. You need to get signed up right now. So my suggestion is to sign up with an email address. Go click on sign up, enter all the details in this section, and you would be receiving a confirmation email to your email address. Go click there and you get redirected to bodybuilding.com. So once you signed up, the first thing you need to do is like go check for community. Click on community and sort it by popular, most popular. Okay, and let's check with this community. Scroll a bit down, just go scroll a bit down. See, you need not to message to the people who manages this community, but you need to message people who are in these comments. So once you scroll a bit down, you find 23 people over here. There may be 100 people, there may be 200 people, but the only thing you need to do is you need to target these guys. Okay, so I'll open her, Lister 67. So this is how her profile looks like. You need to do only one thing. Just go to more, leave a comment. In the comment, what you need to do, see here I have a ready-made script with me. If not, I really appreciate people who make their own script and like changing the script for each and every message and check the revert, like which messages are getting lot many rewards. So I really appreciate those guys, but if not, then you can directly make use of this script. Being a fitness person. So here is the script. Hey, I saw you were looking to add a little extra income to being a profession, or else you can directly mention fitness person. Check out this training, it helped me a lot. Insert your link. Insert the link. I already have the bit.ly link with me. Insert the bit.ly. Copy this, come over here and leave her a comment. Go leave a comment. I'm not a robot. See, someone have already done this on 29th of February. They are following the same strategies what I've shown, but need not to worry. You can just post and remind that person once again. Okay, I'll just post it and remind that person once again. I guess HTTP is not working here, so the person before have posted bit.ly directly from bit.ly. So just remove this HTTPS and post it. Slow down, only one comment allows every 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, for every 30 seconds you need to post a comment. Like you would be having an doubt in your mind stating like I would be keeping on posting these messages or the comments to 30 people, 50 people and 100 people, and after that my account get spammed and or blocked. Why? Because you not to worry about that, because you might be messaging in and around 100 to 150 people, okay, before your account gets blocked. But I'm sure like you message only for 5 people with an interval time of 5 to 10 minutes in between. Okay, if you have 5 to 10 minutes in between with an interval time, messaging 5 people or else messaging 10 people, that might be helping you to prevent your account get blocked from bodybuilding.com. So repeat this process. Try to message as many as people. Okay, if in case your account get blocked, not to worry, like you would be like messaging around 150 people. From that 150 people, there might be a chances of 10 people or 20 people get converted. Okay, if 20 people get converted from each person, there is a chance of getting $35 for sure. Okay, or else what would be the commission rate in the program? You would be getting that commission rate. Okay, so please follow each and every step. Not only this community, there are many communities. Okay, please visit those communities. See, there are many communities. You can load more results. You will be finding lot more communities. So visit each and every community and follow the same process. Find for the comments and open the accounts. Whoever have commented on this community, open their account. I'll just check with this. There are no comments in this community, so you need not to worry. And you need to open another. So I'll open this. Go to his profile and follow the same procedure what I've shown you. So keep on doing this, and you can also come up with good strategy, like the ways where we can promote this link. Maybe on Instagram, maybe on Snapchat or TikTok. Okay, you can come up with your own strategy and comment down below with that strategy. Okay, and I need your comments, guys, with your own plan. Why? Because it helps me, like it motivates me to come up with great content in my future videos. So please comment down below which strategy would be working, and the strategy, how does the strategy work with that platform. And you can also make use of Instagram. For example, say visit any profile, especially educational toys profiles. There you would be finding parents. Okay, there would be mothers available there who would be like they are at home and interested to work from home. So you can target mothers in those platforms, like using Instagram community, focusing upon educational toys profiles. So like this, come up with good ideas and comment down below. I'll surely implement that in my future videos also. Why? Because I would be testing it before, and then after I would be implementing it in my future videos. So guys, please comment. I need your support, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Why? Because if I come up with any new video, you would be getting a notification directly to your email. And do suggest your friends. It helps me to come to come up with good content. Okay, have a great day and bye bye. Take care.